Yeah, the weather is totally shit. I took the car outside because I need light. Okay, it was a bit tough getting this thing mounted, but I think the best location is probably going to be there. I wanted to do it here, but there's unfortunately a panel that we need access to and I can't block that. I want to put the electronics behind this, so it looks like all of this will have to be clipped out, and it looks like it's fairly straightforward. Okay, and it appears that there's a nice little hiding space in there for the electronics. Cool. You just have to make a hole here. Just have to make a hole here for the loom. And here we have the first part of it all taped up. Tape up the rest as we go. Okay, it was a bit tough getting this thing mounted, but yes, it's in at last. Okay, so I've taped up the loom all the way here. I'm going to tape it up to about here so that I can start threading it through. Fuck, this weather sucks. It's not damn hot, it's always fucking windy. Anyway, so we're halfway to the front. So if you look all the way from the back, under the soles and coming out behind the dashboard. So we're nearly there. I'm going to be taking the radio out so that I can get connection points, because every single signal that we need is behind this radio, and the added advantage is that there's a fuse on this radio, so if anything goes wrong, it's no problem. Yeah, I took the car outside because I need light, but this is exactly where I want to be. Yeah, there's power here, and there's most importantly, when you turn the key on, there's that accessory signal. So let's get the loom from down there up to here, and then we can start making connections. And so far we've got ground wired, which is there. Now I just need to find the DC 12 volts permanent supply, and then accessory, which is when the key's turned. Yeah, it should be straightforward. Okay, so this white striped black is the accessory, and unfortunately it's pulled out the back there, so now the radio doesn't work, but that's okay, I'll fix it. At least now we know which wire is which. Okay, that seems to be the correct wiring. There's 12 volts there, and then there's 12 volts on the orange wire when you turn the key. Okay, so this is now all connected. We need to get that router plugged in and see if it actually works. So I'm going to plug it in over there at the back and then turn it towards me so I can see if it actually turns on. Okay, let's turn the key. It'll take a few seconds. I think I heard something. Oh. It's going to be too hard to see here because there's too much light. There we go. Reason it's red is because there's no SIM card. Damn, it works. Okay, I'll have to get this radio working again. Wife's going to be mad at me. All the radio stations are wiped, the Bluetooth pairings are gone. Oh boy.
Very dedicated Car WiFi listener in my household.
Well,
this
at least it works
morning,
again.
was taking her to school, she handed me this envelope. I have not seen what's in it, but she made me promise that I give it to you. May I open it?
Oh, shut the fuck up. Here we go. Okay, it works. Let's just get this reassembled. And that's everything put back. So I'm going to go and grab a SIM card adapter, and I'm going to put the SIM card in here, and then I think we can test it with my phone. Bollocks. Yeah, well, it's in there now. Piece of crap. Whoever came up with that idea should be shot. But anyway, that's pretty much in place. And there it sits. Let's see how well this works. Switch on the ignition. Let's give it a moment and then we should see the Wi-Fi pop up. No, not my camera. There it is. Blue Car Wi-Fi. And it's connected. See if Google and stuff like that works, or maybe even YouTube. And we can play Shango 066. Fucking ads. No sound. Don't know why.